So first turn on the transmitter, and once you turn on the transmitter, make sure this is down and all the switches has to be in the upward position. Next you can turn on the receiver, which is nothing but your drone. Alright, so for the transmitter to work, you just have to make sure that this is communicating and within the same range. Next thing is, in order for the process to start, you have to move this stick towards the right side where a red light will indicate there. Let me show you again. So if I move the stick to the right side, so I'm putting it to the right side, you'll see a red light indicating that it is now ready. It's armed and it's ready to move the propeller. So you can see the propellers are starting moving whenever I move this up. So this is called as taking the drone from the flight position. So from the ground it starts lifting up with this. Alright, so let me disarm it again. So disarm is on the left side. So when I take this up, the motor slowly starts moving faster, and then it will slowly start coming up. So just make sure that you don't suddenly make it up or suddenly make it down, because it might fall down suddenly and it might go higher above your control and it might get damaged. So make sure first you fly with your knee height, like somewhere around 1 feet. So let's say it's here, so just try to control it within this range only, because if it falls down, then it should not get damaged. Okay, next thing is, when it's flying, it might move left or right, or maybe it goes forward or backward. For that to control, you have to use this. Let's say when you're flying, it is coming towards me, like it's coming back. So what I'll do is I'll start pushing it slowly in the front. Don't do like this, it's gonna run completely. Just go slowly. Like if it's coming towards you, it's coming back, so you have to give an opposite instruction. So you'll start pushing it only slowly in the front until it gets adjust. Similar way, if it is going on the right side, you have to just keep pushing it to the left. Not like this, just slowly you have to do, so that you can try to control it within the same frame. Just imagine there is a virtual square box within this drone. Try to control it within the same area first. Don't try to fly it in a very higher distance, or don't try to just don't try the drone to go very far. Just try to control it within a small distance within this area, and once you are comfortable with that, then start increasing the height. So again, I'll repeat, this is for flying the drone, this is for controlling the directions. So once you got a certain height, you can hold this here, and then if it is coming back, you can just push it forward. If it is going forward, then you have to press it back. That's it.